What's up guys, in today's video we're going to be doing Monkey's Got Talent in Gorilla Tag, and yeah, I'm so excited to get into it. So yeah, we'll see you when the contestant... Right, let's see your talent, Purple.
Okay, my talent is singing.
Singing, okay.
I'm going to be singing "Die with a Smile" by Lady Gaga and Bruno Mars.
Yeah, I love that song. Everyone get ready to...
Bruno Mars.
Yeah, I know.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye. I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I'll be alive. However you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. I'm gonna love you up and down like it's for last night, like it's for last night. If the world was there, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over, my throat was starting to hurt. That's all I got.
Okay, yeah, well done. Right, let's see your talent,
Hello
Pi.
there.
Hi.
I'm Pi, and I'm going to tell you all a joke.
Okay, let's hear.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Pi.
Pi who?
That's it. That's my joke. Goodbye.
Wait, Pi who?
That's the joke.
Oh. Okay. One. Right, let's see what your talent is.
My talent is doing dances.
So are you pole dancing right now? I quite like it. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, that was good. Right, so we've got Purple. Oh, this talent's quite good. Wait, where is he? I think his talent's like, yeah, running around and everything. Nice. Yeah, that's a good talent. Anyway, we're going to end it there. Right, let's see your thing.
So today, I'm going to be dancing to our APT. Ready?
Yeah.
APT. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, live tonight, go crazy. All I wanna do is just meet me at the APT.
Okay. Well done. Right, what is your talent for us today?
My talent is I'm gonna say a few jokes.
Okay, a couple jokes. Right.
I'm gonna tell you 5 jokes.
Yeah.
Why did the golf bring 2 pairs of pants?
Why
In
did
case
he?
he got a hole in one.
I like that.
What do you get when you cross a snowman and a vampire? Frostbite.
Okay.
Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts. What did the fish say when it hits the wall?
What?
Damn. Why did the computer go to therapy? Because it had too many bites.
Nah, I need to get the golden buzzer, so let's just play this. Boom! That is the golden buzzer right there, so he's automatically through, but people can still go through. So yeah. Okay guys, we are in the semi-finals, so let's see who's going to...
I'm going to be saying some jokes.
Yeah.
Why did Queso lose all his weight?
Why did he lose all his weight?
Because his friend said there was a McDonald's 1 hour away.
Okay.
Why did Santa eat all the cookies in my house?
Why?
Because it had a bunch of chocolate.
Okay, and let's see. Let's see. Do you have any more, or is that it?
That's it.
Okay. So, I think he's going to be doing competitive.
Oh. Wait, I
So
didn't know
let's
you could do this.
Yeah, let's see.
Almost a million times.
Right, he's hit competitive. Well, yeah, that's quite good. Let's see your talent.
I'm gonna be singing today, and it's my favourite song, what I sing all the time.
Okay.
No.
Pretty little liar, what you gonna say? Tell me that you love me, lying to my face. I know you double cross me, girl, you're such a fake. What a shame that my lover was a snake. What a snake, pretty little liar, what you gonna say? Tell me that you love me, lying to my face. I know you double cross me, girl, you're such a fake. What a shame that my lover was a snake.
Okay, well done. Right, okay guys, we're going to be saying like who's going to be getting knocked out. And yeah, everyone here has done well. But
Tell me move.
yeah, I'm going to tell you who's in the final first. The first person in the final is OG. Or OJ. So you're in the
Yay.
finals. Alright, go back. Right. Okay. So now, the person who will be in the finals up against OG is... It's you!
I know
Thanks
I should have just did one.
Yeah, anyway, thanks for playing though.
Wait, could I do a redemption? Could I?
Right, so guys, we will be seeing who's going to be in the finals, but finalist gets to go down the red carpet. So, go on. Right.
Boing.
So, your final talent for the finals.
Yeah.
Pole dancing with a gun. Okay, with a bubble gun. Yeah. Oh, okay. Right, now it's Gorilla's turn. So let's see, Gorilla. Right.
Can I sing the same song what the other person sang?
Which one?
That was Smile.
Okay, let's see if it's better.
But if I do better like voices, can I sing it? Yeah.
Yeah, you might win. You never know.
Okay. I just woke up from a dream. Even I had to say goodbye. It was all on me. Since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow. So I'ma love you every night like starless night, like starless night. If the world was ending, I wanna be next to you. If the party was over and that time on earth was you.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Guys, we are going to be seeing who won in the finals. Okay? And yeah, everyone who has participated have done well in our, what do you call it, talent show. And yeah, so the winner is, whoever I point to is the winner. You won. Anyway, yeah, so Gorilla won. And yeah, thank you. And you came second, so it's not bad. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys, today. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, because I really want to get to 50 subscribers. And I want to go live streaming. And anyway, yeah, thanks for watching.